Good morning, Michael Masserang here, and I'm here in Charlotte in the 28209 zip code, one of these lovely older neighborhoods that a lot of work is being done on these old houses, and certainly a popular place for people to move to. But I wanted to talk about this house in particular. I got this referral through a licensed health professional, and the client that lives here recently purchased the house and had a company come in and supposedly do a mold remediation on the crawl space. They spent a few $1,000s for this work, and not exactly sure what they did. This is kind of an example of what not to do. There are a lot of companies in the Charlotte market that claim to be mold remediators, and especially in a real estate situation, and if you get the cheapest price, or what you think is a fair price may not be fair whatsoever because of the quality of the work. This particular house has an addition section, which I'm walking to, and they completely ignored this addition when I'm not sure, whatever they did. I think they probably fogged this crawl space, and nothing was done with the liner, and everything was pretty much missed. So it's always important, if you have multiple compartments on your home, that the company you hire services both of these areas. And you can see this has got some drainage problems down here, and the liner is in absolutely poor condition. But I wanted to share that with you today, and we'll walk around to the back side of the house and look at the other part. As I'm walking around here, you know, it's important to really ask a lot of questions when you hire a mold remediation contractor. Ask to see the certification that they have. Make sure that they're NORMI or IICRC certified, and that they can actually produce the certificate. In the Carolinas, it's not required to have a license to do mold remediation. So unfortunately, you have a lot of companies out there calling themselves remediators that really aren't, and charge even just a few $1,000s and really aren't doing much at all to solve the problem. And this house is certainly no different. And I'm going to crawl in here. You can see our negative air machine, which we've set up to have proper containment on this house as we get started with the crawl clean out. And interestingly enough, the other company deployed a dehumidifier, and they didn't even trouble themselves to do the electrical. So this dehumidifier was never running. So whatever work the other company did was nullified because we didn't have a functioning dehumidifier in here. So we're going to correct that issue as well while we're here. So the guys have already pulled the insulation, as you can see here, and testing revealed several species of fungal colonies that have either regrown, but I suspect they were never cleaned properly to begin with. And look at this vapor barrier. What a terrible quality installation. So you got to be careful who you hire. And so for part B, when I come back, this will be totally transformed. We're going to convert this crawl space, not only make it clean and healthy, we're going to put a controlled ventilation system on this house, and we're going to completely redo the crawl space science aspect of this crawl space and this house in general, restore the natural stacking effect of the home, and make this house healthy. So look forward to seeing you for part B, and we'll show you the finished product and the systems that we're going to put in place. Thanks for joining me for the first part. Take care.